my name's Aoife and I've been busy getting ready for my Céilí in the kitchen. Today I'm going to teach you a step that you can dance at your Céilí. This step is called heel and toe to the side. I'll dance it for you now. Now I'm going to break it down. First we're going to dance to the right. Heel and toe and heel and toe. Hop 1, 2, 3. Hop 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to dance to the left. Heel and toe and heel and toe. Hop 1, 2, 3. Hop 1, 2, 3. That's the whole step. Now we'll dance it together. Now my brother's going to play a tune and we'll dance it to the music. One, two, three, go. One, two, three, go. This is the step that I'll be dancing in my routine. I hope you enjoy your Céilí in the kitchen on Saturday. Bye!